In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to hide your taskbar on Windows 11 operating system. This can maximize screen space, reduces distractions, and enhances the overall aesthetic of your desktop by creating a cleaner, more streamlined look just like mine. To do this, simply head to your settings. On the settings page, you will then select onto the option of personalization. Navigate onto the option of taskbar. In the section of taskbar behaviors, make sure to check onto this box of automatically hide taskbar. So guys, when you head to your desktop, the taskbar will be hidden. And to access it, simply move your mouse pointer to the bottom end. If you move up, it will disappear. This enhances the immersive experience when watching videos, playing games, or giving presentations. That's how easy it is to hide your taskbar. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.